Oh, this is the tuk-tuk into the old town. It cost the tuk-tuk from the hotel, it cost $1. I don't know what it cost to come back. We'll find out soon enough. Downtown part of Siem Reap. You've got PUB Street just here, all the bars, all the clubs, everything you need. Just down here. It's pretty lively at night time apparently. Oh, this is the old market. And right here is All Cheer Street, PUB Street they call it. All pubs. Come down here at night, see what's happening. Just having a look today. Just checked in. Phnom Penh, correction, Siem Reap. Got the same stuff as anywhere else in Asia. Alright, just arriving at PUB Street here. This is the main intersection to get. Like a lively place at night time. It will be a lively place. Better get run over. Alright. Sure it's full at night. Lots of people. Right, into PUB Street. The markets. Restaurants and bars galore. Right, let's go check out the old market. See what they got. Well, this is the main part of Siem Reap, the tourist area. PUB Street's just back up there. I'll do a video on the old market and inside, so that should be coming out straight after this video. Alright, enjoy, and hope that explains Siem Reap and downtown PUB Street. pretty nice here, pretty clean. Everyone's helpful and nice.